We've recently updated our Variance app on our website and wanted to provide a quick tutorial walking you through accessing it, submittal, and withdrawal. You can access the Variance app form through either the Permits or the Plan Review tabs on the home page of our website, as well as logged into your account on your dashboard, which I'll show you momentarily. You will be required to sign into your account to access these forms. While signed in, you can click Home to navigate back to your dashboard. From here you can click All Variance Applications to see your list of submitted and saved Variance apps. Let's go ahead and get started with the Variance app. You're going to be prompted with our terms for the Variance app. Please read through these carefully and select I understand. You will have to agree to continue. Now, you should begin typing and select the address of the location at which you are requesting a variance. Please fill in all of the information requested. To save time, if you are the property owner, you can check the box and some fields will be filled for you. On the left, under applicant information, please fill your name and your address, along with your contact email and phone number. On the right, under property owner information, please fill the information for the property owner. If the information for the property owner and applicant are the same, you can check the box for I am the property owner or fill this manually. In the next section, under variance information submitted by, if you are not the property owner, on the next screen after we save and continue, you will be required to upload a property owner approval letter form. At any time you can click Save and Continue to save your work and return to this later through your dashboard. After all the fields have been filled, we're going to go ahead and save and continue to save this form and to start uploading documents. The property owner approval letter is required. The other documents are optional but definitely recommended. From here you can select Choose File, navigate to the file on your computer. They can be either PDF, JPEG, PNG, or TIFF. To modify any of the previously entered information, you can click the Show Variance Address and Applicant Info link. You can also hide this to save room on the page. From here, go ahead and finish uploading your documents and be sure to select the comment for what type of document you are uploading, and then you can save and continue. Once you've uploaded the file, you should receive a green message at the top saying it's successfully been saved. You will also notice off to the right hand side you see uploaded files with the date you've uploaded it, the comment. You could even preview the file itself or delete it from this request. From here you can continue to add more files, modify the request in any way, or even delete it or withdraw the request. For example, we're going to delete one of the files we've uploaded, so just go ahead and select delete next to the one you want to delete and confirm that you did want to delete it. You should receive another message saying we've successfully saved this. To return to a Variance app that you've started and saved, you can click the Home button at the top of the page after being signed in. Off on the left hand side there will be a link for all Variance applications with the number 1 next to it, meaning that you have one or possibly more. From here you'll see a list of your variances and you can view/edit those with the button on the right hand side. This should take you right back into the request. To withdraw a request, simply request withdraw this request and you will be prompted to confirm. You may have to select either property owner or contractor to actually complete the withdrawal. You should receive a green confirmation message at the top letting you know that your withdrawal has been accepted. When you return to the dashboard and view your variance requests, you will see the status as withdrawn. And from here you can start another variance request.